Okay, this is my effort to instantly freeze water by taking really pure water and supercooling it, and then creating a jar by banging it on something. Hopefully that will instantly freeze it all. This actually take three. First I tried to distill the water through a bunch of methods. It did not work, unfortunately, so I just went ahead and bought some Fiji water from the store. And the first two times I left it in the freezer for too long, and it froze anyway, as it can do if it gets cold enough. Now water, to freeze, it has to have something to form upon, usually some form of impurity or mineral in the water. Hopefully this water is pure enough that it is cool and has not frozen. Let's try it out. Beautiful, it worked perfectly. Okay, this is take 4. Last time, even though it worked, it did not work fully, as in there was some liquid left. I don't know why exactly that happened, but I tried it again this time, cooling it for about twice as long, so hopefully it works better this time. Still has a kind of a strange slushy texture that I have not figured out, but I'll try it again. Okay, this is my one last time final doing it. This is take 5. Hopefully it will work perfectly this time. We'll see. Nope, it didn't. Anyway, you might be wondering how you could do this. It's pretty simple. You just have to have really clean water, because of the way water's structure is. The molecules are what they call bent. If you don't know what that looks like, look it up on Google. But because of the way they're bent, and they form ice crystals, they actually form like a lattice that is also bigger than just the liquid water. So that's why ice floats, as it's the same amount of matter spread over a larger space, so it's lighter. But to begin that structure, it has to start on a particle of something, usually in normal water, as you see in ponds or streams or whatever. That's some clump of dirt or mineral that's in the water. If you get really pure water, it has to be distilled water to get that pure. You can actually supercool it down below 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius, and it won't freeze because it has nothing to form on. That's why I use the Fiji water. I tried distilling it, as mentioned earlier. I couldn't get my distillation method to work as well as the commercial, so I went ahead and just got some Fiji water. I'd heard that it was really pure, and that it could work for this, so I tried that. And then I cooled it for a couple hours. Usually about 3 worked the best from what I did. And then just gently remove it from the freezer and bang it on something. And the jarring of the impact enables it to begin to form that structure. Have fun.